I hope that you are doing well. If you watched one of my last Pandora videos, the video where I did a Pandora haul, I showed you a charm in the shape of a star that my previous employer gave me as a farewell gift, and well, I just didn't really want it. So I went to my nearest Pandora store and I asked them, it hasn't been used yet, it's still in the box as I received it, is it okay to do an exchange? They checked on my profile and luckily the employer had said my name and I have an account there, so they could see when it was purchased. And yes, I obviously didn't have a receipt because I got it as a gift. So anyways, long story short, I got something else and I did have to make an extra payment on it, so the charm's value wasn't enough to cover this, but I was happy with it. Before we get into this video, if you could kindly leave me a like, thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. I post anything blingy from diamond paintings to jewelry, so I would love if you would join this fun and creative community. So let's get into this. Okay guys, so let's unwrap this and see what I got. The little ribbon they made on it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You can hear there's something loose in there. Okay, so let's see what's inside. That's pretty. I don't think I've seen this paper before. Ooh, can you already see what it is? Ah, yes, yes. Isn't that so pretty? Okay, let me just get it out of the box. Okay, is this a bracelet? No, it's a necklace. Okay, so let's take it out. So this is from the Pandora Me collection and it is a 5-link necklace. Why 5 link? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And those links are openable. So, do you see that? This is so cute. So I did fit this on in the store because the website said it's 45 centimeters and you can make it smaller. There you can see there's some bigger links, but they're not openable. So you can even make it like a choker. I really love this. So I'm actually like in two minds if I want to put charms on it or if I want to wear it just like this as a layering piece, because actually it looks super cute as it is. But as you know also from my Pandora haul video, again if you haven't seen it, go and check it out. There's some fun pieces in there. I'll show you one piece that I was thinking getting a necklace for this piece. So this is the medallion range and this is the big medallion, the extra large. So it's so pretty and it's heavy. So I do have gold chains, but I thought it would be really edgy if I can do something with that. Why didn't I get a gold chain? Because most of my pendants and my charms are still silver or mixed metal, so I also like to mix my metals. I'll show you, for example, one of my link bracelets. So this is more an oxidized bracelet, but I have some rose gold on here and I just love to mix it up. So one of my other ones, you can see it there. So it has rose gold, freshwater pearls, also some silver links and oxidized link. So yes, I do this bracelet as well. I do like to mix my metals. There's some 14K gold, there's rose gold, there's silver. I like it. So some people don't like it, some like it. So it depends what you like. I already thought that if something heavy hangs on it, it's gonna do this. Now, is it gonna bother me? I don't think so, because I actually was depending on this to do that, because there's another necklace they have, but it didn't feel to me like a lot of options it gives you to design. So it just has the normal chain. I think it's smaller links, and then it has like one of these openable links at the bottom. And I just I like design options. So like I said, I like this one plain, and also I thought like I can add some mini tangles on there or normal tangles. So in any case, this will happen when I have something heavy on there. So I'm not quite sure what I want to design this necklace with yet, so let's see about some options. I would love if you would help me with that. So obviously, because this is so big, this would be the centerpiece. I can probably take this out here. Oh, it's so pretty. I love to play with my jewelry. I love that tinkling sound. Isn't that so pretty? I'm a Sagittarius, so I know it's not meant for that, but it has some symbolism for me. Let's take a look if it's gonna do that. Oh, I was also thinking I can buy some separate gold links for this, but I'm not actually sure if I want that, so it'll probably do that. I have a lovely 14K two-tone pendant here. You keep me warm. It's a snowflake, but it's pretty. It's engravable on the back, so that's something that I could possibly add. Oh, look at that. That already complements that. I do have that two-tone pendant as well. That could be an option, but it's very dainty compared to that. I have this cute charm with a tiger's eye in the middle, with the little bee, beehive, CC's gold. So this is a gold charm. That would really look pretty as well. That's a lot of gold. I want to sort of like keep that look. I have some charms where there's a little bit of gold, but it's normal charms. I was thinking you can add some normal charms there. That's for other designs, I think. For now, I also have this mermaid pearl pendant. She's pretty, but she's plain silver. That is an option. Or it opens the clasp. It's very easy. Let's take a look at this. That's pretty. I like the mix of the pearl, that's a bit creamy, the gold, touch of gold. Let's take a look if there's something I have these dainty pendants. They were actually two of my first pendants I ever got from Pandora. Super dainty, do you see? That one's a bit more oxidized. This one is more sparkly. That can also work. But I don't think there should be too many charms on here. I wonder how that's gonna look. If I take off the medallion, I'm just seeing another pendant. So it's a beautiful mermaid. She would make a super cute middle pendant as well. There's a mermaid. I have like a little sailboat pendant. Oh, the back side is pretty with hair. Okay, I think I want to keep it simple, and I really like this design, so let's take a look. If you make it a choker, this will not do this. So it depends how you want to wear it. That is very pretty. I think this can work. I think I want to do it this way because when I wear it, this is going to be on the right side and the left side. Okay, here we have our second one. Guys, I'm actually not 100% sure I want to put this on here. That is an option, but I just saw one of my other pendants, actually the same as my ring. This is so pretty. You can see it's sort of like translucent, so it depends how the light gets it, how the light catches it. But I actually quite like this because normally I like to wear jeans, and this is sort of like giving it an extra dimension. What do you guys think? Let's take a look. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. Guys, I actually like this. I like this, and if it does that and that, oh, that would be so pretty. Let me know what you think. This is just my first very impromptu design with this necklace. Like I said, I really like the idea of wearing it without any charms or pendants. That's an option as well, but also I do think like it looks quite cute to wear designs on there, and the possibilities are quite endless because you can either use the Me charms on there that comes with the Pandora Me collection, or you can use normal pendants. Look at that, it's quite easy, and that has a big bail. That has a smaller one. You saw how easy I clipped it on there. So yes, I hope that you enjoyed this short video about designing something with this necklace. Alright guys, thank you for joining me. I hope that you have a lovely rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Mwah. Love you. Bye.